Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add a background picture in PowerPoint. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the slide where you want to add a background image. Right-click anywhere on the slide and select Format Background from the menu. In the Format Background panel on the right, choose Picture or Texture Fill. Next, click Insert under Picture Source. You can choose from a file to upload an image from your computer, stock images, online pictures, or even use the clipboard if you've copied an image. Select your image and click Open. Once the image appears, adjust the transparency slider to make the background lighter or more subtle. If you want the same background on all slides, click Apply to All at the bottom of the panel. When you're done, close the Format Background panel. And that's it. You've successfully added a background image in PowerPoint. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and helpful tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.